Placing the battery on a 2014 Kawasaki ZX-14R. Step 1, we're going to remove these two Allen key bolts. Remember to watch for the washer on the back, little plastic one on each. And the lower bolt is quite a bit shorter in length as well, so remember where that goes. Set them both aside. Next you're going to remove this 4mm Allen key bolt. Set that aside. Pull in the lower part of this plastic panel and just pull it out slightly, and then we're going to pull downward because you don't want to break that tab off that's in behind here. And then just put microfiber cloth in behind there so we don't scratch the paint. Okay, in the thin area of like where the 4mm Allen bolt was, we're going to pull back on this rubber sleeve inside. Pull it towards the front of the bike. It's a little finicky. Takes a little while to release, but then it'll loosen that panel. Okay, next we're going to be removing the green fins from the front panel of the bike. So you're just going to be very, very careful here. Pull out slightly on the black front panel, and then you can push the green fin inward a little bit, and then pull out. You'll do that on every single fin, and it will actually slide out just like that. So 2 of the fins needed to be pulled out. Okay, this is what it looks like with the fin removed. We still need to remove this panel here to access the battery. Just need the 5mm Allen key. We'll remove this bolt. And there is no washer on that. And we should just be able to pull out on the bottom of this panel. And there we go, access to the battery. Okay, next we'll remove the strap holding down the battery. So just pull out on the rubber strap and then push downward to release. And we'll remove the negative terminal bolt. It's a 10mm. Just remember what you have connected there, if you have any accessories. Okay, negative is released. And it looks like I have 3 other things going to the negative terminal. So we're just going to remember to put those back in later. Move some of the wires out of the way. Also at the bottom of the battery is a bracket you're going to have to remove. There's 2 8mm bolts that need to be removed. And remove the bracket holding the battery in at the bottom. Just pull it out straight. There we go. Okay, next we can slide out the battery slightly, push back on the plastic stay, pull back on the red plastic covering the terminal, and we will remove the positive with a 10mm bolt. Remove the 10mm bolt. Slide the wires aside, and you can just slide the battery out and and we'll put the new one back in shortly here. So with the old battery removed, to remove the stay piece, just pull up on that. You'll next need to remove the negative terminal from the battery with your 10mm socket. There we go. We'll need to put this on the new replacement battery. Make sure it's on the negative terminal. Next up. Next, remove the old battery from the battery holder. Okay, place the new battery in the battery holder. Make sure you put the nuts in the negative end positive terminal. And we're gonna place the negative wire back in place on the new battery. Put your 10mm nut into that, tighten it down. Use your socket. Okay, once that negative is tightened down, put the battery stay back on the top of the battery. Sling over the strap, but don't fasten it yet. And we'll put it back in the bike here. So we'll slide the battery back in place. Just move the wires aside. And we're going to slide that stay on the top back a little bit so we can reconnect the positive terminal. Remember also, if you have any accessories, to put the positive back on as well, like if you have a battery tender wire, which I do. Put the 10mm bolt back inside the positive terminal, tighten it down, 10mm socket. Okay, once you've tightened down the positive terminal, slide the red covering back over, and then you're going to slide the battery back into place. And now you can actually latch down the strap. And next we'll put the bracket back in place, securing the bottom of the battery. And remember, that's with the two 8mm bolts. And line them up and just tighten those in place. Okay, once you have the brackets fastened down, then you just have to reconnect the negative terminal. And I have two other negative wires that need to go there as well, so I'll fasten those down using my 10mm bolt. Okay, once you've got your negative fastened down, let's give it a try, see if it works. So far, so good.